Flip is a frog, but Flip is not like other frogs. Flip can fly. He has special shoes and they make him fly. Flip loves to build things. He builds robots. He builds cars. Today, Flip builds a drone.
Zoom, zoom, this is fun.
Flip wants to share his drone. He wants to teach his friend. Flip hops to find his friend, Sally the squirrel. Sally is a squirrel. Sally gathers acorns and puts them in her nest. Today, Sally has many acorns.
Oof, so many acorns.
Her cheeks are so full it is hard to carry them all. Just then, Flip hops up to Sally.
Hi, Sally, what are you doing?
Collecting acorns, but it's hard.
Flip has an idea.
I can help. I have a drone.
A drone? What's that?
It can fly. It can carry things.
Flip shows Sally his drone.
Wow, can you teach me?
Of course.
Flip shows Sally the buttons.
This button makes it go up. This one makes it go down.
Whoa, narrator. Uh-oh, crash landing. Sally is excited. She wants to fly the drone. She presses a button.
The drone goes up, up, up.
Be careful, Sally.
But it is too late. The drone wobbles. It falls to the ground with a crash.
Oh no, I broke the drone. I'm not good at this.
Sally feels sad. Never give up.
It's okay, Sally. Trying new things can be tricky. We can fix the drone together.
Flip and Sally work together. They fix the drone. They try again. This time, Sally flies the drone a little bit. With practice, Sally gets better and better. She learns to fly the drone. Now she can carry all her acorns.
Thank you, Flip.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Have you ever flown a drone? It's so much fun.